What a beautiful day for a great adventure. Hey, there you are. Good to see you. Which way do you want to go? We're going to the water slide. Forward leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the mat. Well done! Awesome! That was off the rails! Choose a new toy! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Oh no! It looks like something's great! Super awesome! Just slice or tap it to open. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Woohoo! Yeah! Love that! Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Lights out. Where to now? Forward leads to... Hey, let's go race at the quarry. Forward leads to... Hey, let's go race at the quarry. Super! We all love to race. Let's see who's the fastest in this cool race through the quarry. Tap as fast as you can. Again! Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! Lights on! Where to now? Forward leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to... Tidmouth. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. That's the way. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Well Well done! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! Where to now? To Brendam Docks! Let's go! Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift them. Excellent! Well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Pick any toy you'd like. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Forward leads to the big... Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. We all love your train set. Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy. Choose your engine. Carly! I love that. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Good job! That was amazing! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the pig. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? That's perfect. That was a blast. Full steam ahead. What will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. way. Which way do you want to go? Hey, let's go race at the quarry. Good job! We all love to race. Let's see who's the fastest in this cool race through the quarry. Tap as fast as you can. We all love your train set.